Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello friends, my name is Alisa with NBM 24122311066 and I am from class C. So in this video I will present my outcome after listening to educational context with title is The Origin of Life on Earth from Cosmic Dust to Living Cells. So here we go. So I have listened to 3 videos. The first video is from Peekaboo Kids channel with title Formation of the Earth. And the second is The Mysterious Origin of Life by Ted channel. And the last is The Origin of Life on Earth by Professor Dave Explain channel. So the first video is The Formation of Life from Peekaboo Kids channel. This channel explains several things like Big Bang Theory, nebular hypothesis, molten Earth, how moon formed, atmosphere and ocean, and life begins. This video explained that Earth was formed around 4.6 billion years ago from a giant cloud of gas and dust. It was initially a molten mass, very hot, and then over time it cooled, developed an atmosphere, and formed an ocean. That's why that video says the life began from the oceans, setting the stage for the evolutions of plants, animals, and humans. And the video also mentioned how the moon formed. It's from Theia. Theia's constellation create a moon like that. So this video simplifies complex scientific concepts into a fun and educational format, making it easy for kids to understand how our planet was formed. Now, next to the second video, we titled The Mysterious Origin of Life on Earth by Ted. This video explained many things like early Earth, harsh environment, the Miller-Urey experiment, the hydrothermal vent theory, panspermia theory, and RNA's roles. So that video says the origin of life on Earth remains a big mystery, but scientists have several theories like I have mentioned before. So life may have started in a chemical-rich ocean, deep-sea vent, or even from space. That video says that life began from molecules like RNA, so it might have played a key role in forming the first simple life. Over time, these single-celled organisms evolved into more complex life, eventually leading to the species we see today. This video presents different scientific perspectives on how life might have begun. Right, and the last is The Origin of Life on Earth by Professor Dave Explain channel. This video discusses the famous Miller-Urey experiments and how it provides insight into the possible origin of life. The Miller-Urey experiment was a landmark study that demonstrated how basic life-building molecules, like amino acid, could naturally form under early Earth conditions. It's provided strong support for the idea that life emerged from simple chemical reactions. However, the exact process leading from these molecules to the first living cells remains a big question. And here, my outcomes. So this essay tells about how Earth formed, how the moon formed and causes weather on Earth, and then tells about the origin of life on Earth. Next is my reflection. So I have really enjoyed how the world was formed. It's really fun and educational also. And also it's very interesting that we can see other scientific perspective, other scientific theories like that. And it's very amazing to think that the Earth was formed by gas and dust floating on the space, which is very unbelievable. But yeah, and I'm very impressed to all the scientists that have an experiment of study of the origin of life, but I have other perspective from my religion. But it's very interesting to see how the difference is. At the same time, the mystery that still surrounds the origin of life reminds me that not everything is fully understood. One thing that is certain is the journey from lifeless chemicals to living being is nothing short of miracles. This knowledge encourages us to appreciate life more deeply, because understanding where we come from, it helps us figure out who we are and where we might be going. I think that's it for me. Bye-bye.